So today, Eddie and I, we got up to cleaning these four windows and putting this vinyl on. Anyway, my problem is I have these crazy LED lights, and they're crazy bright. And I'll show you how bright they are. I didn't think it would look so much like a pumpkin. Let's go outside. So the sun is setting, and I got the house lights on, and then I have the so this is a little bit more accurate to like the tone. Okay, so like it is like Darth Vader fucking lives there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what it looks like with these off. The worst is starting to happen. I put it on too well. Oh, the calamity. So far, this is my best technique. I'm just like holding my hand on it. It's just peeling off in one piece. I did break out a chisel. I'll come back to it. I'm not going to tell you how long it took to take those two off. So it is just a little bit later. It is I think it's a full moon tonight. I don't know what is worse. I think I might do it with white. If I did it with white, holy. The thing is, I want to block off the ability to do that. So why do I even have vinyl this big sitting around my shop? And how did I apply it so well? And tips for applying it better. I clean the windows, number one, 3 times. 4, I should have done it 5, maybe 6. If I'd done it 6 times, I think I would have got a better job. So I have this because I have a vinyl cutter and I cut stickers. So if you want to cut something out of this, you can cut it out. And there's a back to it, and you can get a transfer. So I have a sticker maker. And orange is my favorite color. And anyway, this is way too orange for the doors, or for the garage doors. You're all right. It was an experiment and it failed. So I guess I had Windex. I Windexed this stuff, dried it, Windexed it, dried it, and it flakes when it peels. It flakes like it almost looks like an 8-bit video game. Ah! And time. Maybe $3. Oh, that was a battle. I wanted to see if I could get the white one And I found in this gold, half white, Respect brand, I don't know, boom, eBay. I chopped it in half and I used this cutter to cut it. It is in a very awkward position. It is right above my bench up here on a shelf, so I gotta change that. It has a blade that travels in an XY. So this is X this is X on a roller. So there's this roller and you adjust these little clamps that squash it. And then there's this cutting surface, which is a piece of vinyl. Anyway, that's why I have it. It's a cool machine. I don't use it enough. The software is called Sure Cuts a Lot, but I don't cut a lot with it. How you do anything is how you do everything. My secret. It's a little darker. Okay, that's a lot better. You can't see into it in any way. Much better. All right, all. Have a good night.